Mixed rice bowl. I want to say thank you to Lucan for sponsoring a portion of this video, and I just want to introduce some of their clothes. I originally thought that Lucan was only a site for like Acubuy style clothes, but they actually have so many different styles on there. I don't even know my style, to be honest, but I found so many pieces that I liked on there that was like, oh, they have Y2K and they have like minimal clothing, which I think I'm more minimal, but I think I like to mix everything in. Lucan offers clothes that are high quality yet affordable at the same time. They're all made in Korea and they have free worldwide shipping, which is also really fast. It is usually delivered to your house within 7 days. I'm gonna wear like the outfits like within the video, but I'm gonna show you some that I'm not gonna wear within the video. You probably saw me holding this earlier. This with jeans, really baggy jeans. It looks really nice, especially if you have like a skin hugging top. See, I like how it's like, it's simple, but at the same time, like the little details. It's all about the little details. I was looking on the website and they have so many jean options. I'm not usually like much of a jean person either, but I think recently I've been getting, like seriously getting into jeans, which is so weird to me. I've also been wearing this dress a lot, just as my daily clothes and like my homeware. I've also been loving the combination, what are these called, like baby doll top? But I love the combination of that and jeans. I think it's the most like prettiest thing ever. And like, of course, when I want to go more simple, I just wear it when I want to feel more summery, because this is such a summery top. And then I wear that with like a skirt. I've been into super flowy things for summer. I also want to show you this dress. Oh my goodness, this dress is so pretty. When I first saw it, I was like, okay, immediately added it. Later on, we're also gonna pack the luggage. It's already next week. We're gonna be traveling to the Philippines, either as like an airport outfit or just like daily wear, but I'm excited. Anyway, if you want to get any clothing from Lucan, I have a discount code for 40% off. It's gonna be AlexB, all caps. I'm also gonna post like in the description box my collection of clothing, and it's just gonna have all the pieces that I've been wearing recently, so you should check that out. Thank you again to Lucan for kindly sponsoring a portion of this video. Here's today's outfit. These socks are so cute. Show you the outfit before I go. So cute, right? Oh, another one? I need to fill my water bottle. Today is Aaron's day. Also my edit out, so I'm gonna bring my laptop. I want to show the view, it's so pretty. Have you go? Hello? Wow, this lighting. Hello! We're gonna make mixed rice bowl. I love rice bowls, so... And then we're gonna make it cute, so I'll show you how we do that. I think boys watching them eat. Please. Oh, I need to remove the juice. How's it so stupid? We're gonna cut the cucumber into little shapes. I've been using this for soba, but this is really for like anything. It's a bear. Do you still want your egg? Yes. One? The rabbit. The egg. Oh, the egg. Oh my gosh.
Will someone put her in the big chair?
We're gonna organize all of this. I kept on looking at it and I was like, I need to change it. So, bought this the other day. Let's organize. I don't know how I should organize this. I think I'll have one for masks, then one for like other stuff. Just hair stuff. Oh my goodness, I don't know anymore. Oh, it's really big. Oh my gosh. This looks a lot more organized and I love it. Stuff it. I don't know if I should do without the Bolero. I have a feeling I might take it off later, so we'll see. Oh my god, that boys is so cute. They take cash if it's less than $5, so I bought another bread for our family. So update on the plant. Oh, what is that? Look how big it's grown. I want to go walk. It's a halter top and then the skirt, but I'm just gonna walk in my home clothes. I'm trying to take walks after every meal, so let's see if we can keep it up. Today's kind of a lazy kind of day. I'm eating burger steak right now. It's really good. You're gonna be seeing a lot of strawberry cake. Let's try it. I didn't even try it. This one came out a lot more fluffier. Flower. I just changed.
Mind if I charge my phone?
No. Hello. I've seriously been loving this bag. It's the perfect size to put everything. I've also planned to use it as my travel bag when we're gonna be traveling, which is next week. Wow. Let's go somewhere to edit. I need to be in places to actually do work. Let's go. Let's pack. I don't know. I don't know. It's a week before, but don't worry, I already planned some of my outfits. Thank goodness for packing cues. I'm gonna organize them first. I have dresses, skirts, I have tops, pajamas. I'm only gonna bring one pair of jeans, or maybe I'll bring two. We'll see. Boleros, that's gonna be the travel bag. Okay, let's start packing. Hello. If you're wondering what happened to the packing part, I am still packing. I also realized a lot of the clothing I'm bringing are clothing pieces I'm still wearing right now, so I can't like completely like pack everything up. So in the next video we're gonna be in the Philippines. Yay! So oh, I need to charge. Anyway, I'll see you later because the phone, not phone, the laptop's like going on fire. So have a good day. Bye.